So if I have got fillers, can I roll over my lips?
You can, but leave it 2 weeks beforehand.
Okay, and same with Botox?
My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe.
To be honest, like if you have fillers, you're not going to need to be rolling. So, like I'm against fillers in the lips. I just think, I mean, I've seen so many people and it's gone overboard. So I don't actually recommend rolling over fillers because I don't feel it's necessary. But definitely use it as an alternative is what I recommend because you're not putting any toxins into the skin. Although we do it in the clinic, we only would recommend that to a client as a last option if it's a confidence issue. So if somebody's actually really depressed or, you know, lacking confidence, where they get down or, you know, they don't leave the house, they're embarrassed for people to see their face, they don't want to get in pictures, in that case it's the only time that we would recommend, and our doctors would recommend anybody to have filler done in the lips. So not cosmetically, but for a main concern. But sorry, what was your question?
About rolling after like Botox as
Oh,
well.
after Botox, yeah, so I've answered that. But if you don't have fillers, it's definitely an alternative, and in that case, you could do it 2 or 3 times a week. I might actually do a demonstration on that tomorrow.